In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Txt Record in Hostinger, an essential skill for managing your website's DNS settings. We'll walk through each step with clear explanations, ensuring you have a solid understanding of the process. Let's dive right in. First, you want to log into your Hostinger account. This is the central hub where you can manage all your hosting services, so it's crucial you start here. If you're not already familiar with Hostinger's interface, take a moment to browse around and get comfortable with the dashboard. Once logged in, look for the section labeled Domains from the main menu. Click on it. This will take you to a list of all the domains you currently own. Now, find the domain for which you want to add a Txt record. Click on that specific domain name to start managing it. This will open up a new set of options related to this domain. Look for the DNS Zone Editor or a similar option. This is where you can make changes to your domain's DNS records. Inside the DNS Zone Editor, you'll see a variety of DNS settings you can edit, including a records, name records, MX records, and, of course, Txt records. You're now ready to add your Txt record. Look for an option to add a new record, often indicated by a button that says Add Record or a plus sign. Click it, and a new window or section will appear to input your record details. Here, you need to specify the type of record, which in this case is Txt. Enter the name for your record in the field often labeled Host or Name. This is usually your domain name, sometimes written as an @ symbol to represent the root domain, but double-check any specific instructions related to where this record is being added. Next, you'll need to input the value of the Txt record. This could be any string of text that a third party has provided you, often used for verifications or integrations. Make sure to enter this exactly as given, including any spaces or punctuation, to avoid issues later on. In the field marked TTL, or time to live, it's typically safe to use the default value, unless specified otherwise. TTL determines how long the record is cached by DNS servers. Finally, review all the details to ensure everything is correct. Once satisfied, click the Save or Add button to finalize the process. It's important to remember that DNS changes like this can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours to propagate worldwide, so if it doesn't seem to be working immediately, give it some time. By following these steps, you can confidently add a Txt record in Hostinger, enhancing your website's capabilities and ensuring its smooth operation. If you have questions or run into any issues, Hostinger's support team is an excellent resource for further assistance. Thanks for joining, and happy hosting!